We are here at the Best Western in Branson. And over here we have the glass Otis elevator, which is, it's running today. So Jacob and Dan are on it right now. Watch it come down.
Light for Jason.
Here he is.
Yeah, you don't have a light, so good luck.
Jason always has one. There we go.
Let's go up.
See, just two buttons, up and down.
It was nice to see this thing was still running. Half the time it doesn't run.
It did that thing where it didn't open the door.
Yep, I pushed the open button. But what'd you think of that?
Pretty sketchy.